Okay guys, so we finally made it to Malibu and I cannot wait to get out and do some content. I'm actually going to do a couple of videos on the beach and show you guys how I set up and stuff for different areas to just do static videos, right? Like, who says you had to be in a studio or a room or anything? So I'm going to put together a couple of things, definitely get some pictures done. My camera guy and my photographer, and can't get anything done without him. So all right, so we're about to stop and stuff and set up. I'm gonna show you what I do to set up and stuff, and then I'll comprise the video so that way you guys can have kind of like a behind the scenes vlog as well along with the video.
Alone, you know she's working. They can't hear you. Just was whining for 7 minutes.
That's that my life is in danger.
Your life is in danger in a 74-degree trail on paper.
What's going on, everyone? It's your girl 2Fly. Welcome back to my channel. So I am walking along the Pacific Coast Highway. And every time I come to Malibu, I swear I just get so happy. Like, ooh. Yeah, I'm going for it.
Second, I know you feel the beat. Do you feel the rhythm all the way? Can you see the vision? Everything in this world will be okay. Can we be together all the way? I know you feel this movement right here. You just be vibing, reaching.
And see what's going on. I got my babe right here. He's vlogging too. All right, let's get into it.
Reaching for something within you. I know you feel this movement right here. You just be vibing, reaching for something within you. Nights in California, fly passing homes, yeah, right by sunset colored skies. Chilling by the ocean, driving looking for something within you. Nights in California, fly passing homes, yeah, right by sunset colored sky. Chilling by the ocean, driving up the mountain, soaked in the endless beauty, all of you. You know it feels alright, alright, alright. Tonight, oh tonight.
I think this is why I love him, because he loves photography just as much as I do, and it's just always cool for us to compare our footage together.
Chocolate milk. Cinnamon roll.
That too. Cinnamon toast crunch loveliness, like honeycomb. Oh, your honeycomb. Remember honeycombs? That cereal. You didn't like honeycombs?
They're alright.
Okay.
I mean, they weren't cinnamon toast crunch or nothing.
Yeah, I know. Cinnamon toast crunch is good. What else was good? That was of the cinnamon chocolatey persuasion. Did you say? Oh, what? Honey Nut Cheerios.
Honey Nut Cheerios.
Woo.
Don't bang.
Remember?
What's the name of my cereal? Tony the Tiger all day.
So-
Fruit Loops, but you gotta wait for them to soak in or they cut up the roof of your mouth.
Yeah.
Lucky Charms, Captain Crunch, all berry. Oops, all berries. Cocoa Puffs was my man's in them because you can drink the chocolate milk after.
The one I like was the Waffle Crisp. Remember Waffle Crisp?
Yeah. And when I got older, I started getting into, y'all don't know this, checks.
Ah!
Checks be bang.
You are something else. Look at this place. Can I get this? Frank? Look at that. I just love places like this. Look at this. Nantucket, Aspen, Malibu, and Marrakesh. Oh. Beautiful. Wow. Can you see in there? Yeah.
No, I mean the robustness of the tent. Like I'm a reformed Star Wars person. Okay. So I went to some place that was kind of indie like this, and I like tasted the coffee. I was wondering what you had that had a real rich taste.
All of our coffee is light, for sure. The lighter one is going to be much lighter. For espresso, it's a single origin and that is great coffee. But if you're wanting like the more traditional Italian style espresso, it's quite lighter.
I've never had a traditional style espresso. I'll take that one.
You want to try that?
Yeah, I'll try that.
Oh, my little cup of cappuccino.
I love making coffee.
I see the love. I actually have the cappuccino, like that latte art. Oh, it's so nostalgic.
A little extra love in there for you.
Oh, thank you so much.
Sure, and got this for you right here.
Okay.
Are you going for that brownie?
Yes.
Alrighty, there are your. Can we lit them for you? Or?
No, it's perfect.
lit mine.
He lit-
Who is it?
He's scared of messing it up.
Mess it up.
Thank you.
Oh yeah, my pleasure. There we go. Cool.
Awesome sauce. Look at that,
Yeah,
guys.
we're
Oh,
all
y'all, listen. We picked up that brownie right here. You go. And so, babe, I got a cappuccino. And I told him, I said, listen, you need a cappuccino because it's pretty much going to cancel out or allow you to really taste the sugary effect from this brownie. More
It is bang.
situations will arise in your life, but you gotta be smart about it when it comes to brownies.